Using credit cards to build your credit score is a smart idea. When you use a credit card, the credit card company reports your payment information to the credit bureaus. If you make your payments on time and keep your balance low, this can help improve your credit score. Additionally, using a credit card can help you build a credit history, which is important for getting loans in the future. A secured credit card is a type of credit card that requires a security deposit. This is another smart way of using credit cards to build your credit score. There are numerous reasons why you may want one, but it is essential to know when you should and should not have one. Numerous individuals lack an adequate credit history since they have been denied other sorts of loans or credit cards. The approval process for these types of loans and credit cards can be more difficult because people with a strong credit history are more likely to be approved. If you have good credit, you may be eligible for a loan or credit card with a higher APR. For example, your household income could be lower than your desired repayment amount and you could have difficulty making the monthly payments on time or at all. Now let's discuss how you can use a credit card to build your credit. First, consider the following. 1. Use a credit card that reports to all 3 credit bureaus. 2. Use your credit card for small purchases that you can easily pay off. 3. Make sure to pay your credit card bill on time and in full each month. 4. Don't max out your credit card limit. 5. Check your credit score regularly and work to improve it. Always make your payments on time. One of the most important things you can do to use your credit card responsibly and build your credit is to always make your payments on time. This means not only making the minimum payment each month but also paying in full and on time. If you only make the minimum payment, you will end up paying a lot in interest and it will take you much longer to pay off your debt. Additionally, late payments can damage your credit score, making it more difficult to get approved for new lines of credit in the future. If you are having trouble making ends meet, reach out to your credit card company and see if they offer any hardship programs that can help you make your payments. Many companies are willing to work with customers who are struggling.